Hi everyone, I am Vinimagni. I am pursuing BTech second year in the stream of IT section C. I am wearing roll number WTBQ1A12C2. Today I am going to explain about the concept of lattice. First of all, I am going to explain about definition of lattice. This is the definition of a lattice. A lattice is a poset. Poset means partially ordered set in which every pair of elements such as A, B belongs to L. Means these two are elements of set L. These elements should contain GLB and LUB. Means greatest lower bound and least upper bound. Let us consider L, less than or equals to be a poset, where L is a finite set and less than or equals to be a relation that can be defined from the finite set L. Said to be a lattice by taking any two elements from the given set L as a pair. That is, A, B belongs to L. So, these pair of elements contains both GLB and LUB. Greatest lower bound and least upper bound. Whenever these pair of elements in a given set contains both LUB and GUB, and hence we can say that the given poset is said to be a lattice. Greatest lower bound is also called as infimum, and the least upper bound is also called as LUB of A, B, it is denoted by A or B or A exclusive or B. GLB of A, B, it is denoted by A intersection B or A into B. Means least upper bound of A, B, we can denote it by A or B or A exclusive or B. Whereas greatest least bound of A, B, we can denote it with A intersection B or A product B. So this is also called as joint or sum of A and B. And GLB of A, B, it is also called as meet or product of A and B. This is the concept and description about lattice and GLB, LUB in the lattice. Thank you.